Okay everyone, learn to code by coding, LeetCode 1512, number of good pairs. Well, here basically we are given this list, nums, and for every number in this list we have to count if a future number is equal to our current number. So 1 over here equal to 1, so our output variable would be 1, because this one and this one. Then this one is equal to this one as well, so our variable grows by 1, becoming 2. Now 2 has no equal counterpart in this list, so n doesn't grow. 3 has another one, so n goes to 3, and this one has this one, so n stops at 4, since from here on out there is no equal counterpart. So okay, before I solve this, I'll just give you a tip, which is once again the enumerate function. You should pause the video, try to solve it on your own, and then come back to see if our solutions match. Now, for the solution, we start creating this variable, and we're going to assume it starts at 0. Then we create a for loop with our enumerate function. And then we create another for loop because, well, okay, so here, assuming this is the first round, we are at 0 counter and 1 value, right? So we now have to check all numbers that come afterwards. So we create another for loop, which will be for x in nums counter plus 1 onwards. So in this case, x will be returned as the number per se. For x in nums counter plus 1 onwards, if x equals to our current value and grows by 1, and then we return n. We run the code and we see it worked. Let's submit, and here we go. Well, thank you for watching. If you solved it in a different way, please comment below